How to use social media for marketing. Define your goals. Brand awareness, increase visibility and reach. Engagement, build a community and interact with customers. Conversions, drive traffic to your website or sales pages. Customer support, use platforms for customer service. Research demographics, understand age, location, interests, and behaviors. Create buyer personas, develop profiles of ideal customers to tailor your content. Identify where your audience spends time, focus on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, TikTok, or Pinterest based on your target audience. Content types, use a mix of posts, videos, stories, infographics, and live sessions. By following these steps, you can create an effective social media marketing strategy that resonates with your audience and drives results.